In this video, we will show you how to switch between video sources using wipe effects. There are 32 built-in wipe transition effects on the HS3200. To use them while you are switching, enter the main menu, select the Start menu, then in the Wipe Effect section, select a wipe number from 1 to 32. After a desired wipe effect is selected, you may then adjust parameters such as soft, width, luma, saturation, and hue to customize it to your style and needs. For certain wipe effects, you can also change its position.